Okay, so here we are again. We just watched the end and it was amazing. She was like, LOL. Okay, so now we're gonna like play back like the weirdest and funniest clips. The one where she falls out. She's like, oh God. But first we're gonna watch the end again because that was like, So let's watch when she starts screaming.
Whoa, what the hell?
What?
Why is the camera all weird?
It's doing that so you can see.
No. Okay.
Oh my God.
Let's press play and then do full screen.
No.
Yes, full screen. You said we could do.
Shut up.
Shut the fuck up.
Don't say that. Oh my God. Oh gosh.
Put full screen.
No. Okay, fine. Oh, why am I doing this? Why is nothing? Why isn't it? Where's there no volume? What the heck?
Because you turned it like all the way off. Fail. Turn it up.
No, it's on. Look.
Like barely. It's not going to be scary anymore because we already know what happens.
I didn't listen to it scream so much. We need to skip to the part where she chokes him.
No! Oh my god! Just watch them.
Oh my gosh, she's choking. Bam, bam, bam. When's it coming? When's it coming? When's it coming? When's it gonna come? It's gonna come. Just be prepared. Where is it? Oh my god, why isn't it showing?
Keep watching, keep watching.
No, I want to watch the part where she...
That part?
No, where she gets dragged out of bed.
Isn't that's the night, right?
Yeah, this one. Wait, no, her foot's hanging off the end. This is
No,
not one.
no, just try it.
Okay, it's fine. Oh my god. Why did you said you weren't gonna scream and we did, you big fat liar.
I didn't know. Oh my god.
See? Oh no, this is the sheet one.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, isn't it like night 23 or something?
It's this night. Yeah, here it is. Oh my gosh.
Fail.
Holy shit. Oh my gosh.